Hi everyone, myself Hari Shankar. I'm a faculty in the GATE coach. I've been working in this field of chemical engineering GATE for the last 4 years. So today's video is about GATE 2021 regarding the GATE 2021 application. So the application form has already started. Now the last date for filling up the application is 30th September, right? So now we will see what are the new things, right, that are in our GATE 2021. So the first point is, now the third year students are also eligible to apply for GATE 2021, right? So the third years, final years and the passed out students, right? So we will see, like, what are the documents required, right? So for all these three category students to apply for GATE. So first of all three of them will require only these three documents. That is the speciality. That is, if you are a third year, final year or passed out student, you require what? A photo ID card, right? You need a photo ID card. It can be your Aadhaar card or any driving license or anything. And you need your signature and your photo with the specification that is specified in your GATE website, right? So when you fill the application form, you have to keep these three documents ready. So once you have these three documents, it will be very easy to fill the GATE application form. That is, you can finish the total application within half an hour, right? Including the, for example, if you are a third year student or fourth year student, right? Or a passed out student, right? So the documents needed to be uploaded is same. And if you are an OBC NCL category student, there is no need to upload your category certificate. Only SC category students need to upload their certificate. Now, regarding in GATE 2021, one student can apply two exams, right? Two GATE papers, right? Now, if you are a chemical engineering student, I will explain that with by taking an example of a chemical engineering student. If you are a chemical engineering student, your main paper, that is your preference one, will be chemical engineering GATE. And you can select if you want to write, right? If you want to write one more GATE paper, there are three options for you. One is chemistry, second one is petroleum, and third one is life sciences. So out of these three, one exam you can select, right? So that's all. Same way, if you are another branch student, you will be having the different combination of subjects in your GATE website, and you can see that, right? So what are the options? So as a chemical engineering student, definitely we will be, most of them will be writing only one paper, chemical engineering only. And if you want to write, you will be able to write one of these three papers, right? So these are the things I wanted to share. Now we will see, right, what are the details we require. Once you log into the website, you will have what, 5 category of details you need to fill, right? So that details I will explain with a video.
So the first paper, you can select it as chemical engineering paper. So that's our primary paper. Now you can select the examination country and you can select what the 4 other examination city choices. Now, if you want to attempt one more paper, right, so other than chemical engineering, you will have that options also available, right? So we can see what are the other options available other than chemical engineering. So first you have to press select number of papers 2. Now you can select the second GATE paper, chemistry, petroleum or engineering sciences. Now you can select the second paper's choice of examination cities also. Now you have to fill your personal details, right? So you can see the category and whatever other details you require, like you need to fill the Aadhaar card, that is your valid photo ID, and you need to enter your Aadhaar number also. Now you have to fill what the correspondent address, that is whatever address you need to fill, you can fill. Now qualifying degree details, in that you need to enter your college pin code, you need to fill institute registration roll number also. Then you can fill BE and you can select your qualifying degree, right? Year of qualifying degree, that also you can select. Now next will be the last uploading documents part, where you have to upload your color photograph, signature, and you can see the specifications given, and you can upload the photo ID.
Last date for GATE 2021 is September 30. So once again, if you have these three details, you will be able to apply GATE within half an hour with including the payment.